Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the Google Classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School. How are you all doing? So we have been studying about nouns. Now quickly tell me, what is nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words. So now I'm going to ask you a question. Let us imagine a place. How about a park? Okay. What are the things that you see in a park? There are many things that we can see in a park. So quickly name me some things that you can see in the park. Yes, you can see swings, slides, seesaws, so many things to play. What else can you see in the park? There are trees, flowers, grass. What else? Ice cream stalls are there, snacks counter is there. So there are many things that you can find in a park. Can you think about any event that can be conducted in a park? Yes, we can have picnics in the park. We often go with our family or friends to enjoy a good picnic in the park. Any other activity that we can conduct in a park? Yes, we can also conduct parties in park. A small birthday party maybe? Yes, it is possible. Next, let us move into a church. Now, what are the things that you can see and observe inside a church? Yes, you can see the candles burning. You can see the figure of Jesus Christ. You can see the benches and an altar to pray. You can also see a holy water kept. Now, think about the events that can be conducted in a church. There are many events. Yes, from the wedding to the Holy Mass and baptism. What do you mean by baptism? Baptism means the naming ceremony of small babies. So that is also conducted in a church. Now, let me take you to a very familiar place. Let us climb up the stairs and move into our school auditorium. What are the things that you see in our school auditorium? First and foremost, there is a stage. And on the stage, yes, there is a mic stand. Sometimes we also have a projector on the stage. There are chairs for students to sit. So many things that you can see in our auditorium. What kind of events are conducted in our school auditorium? There are so many to name. Starting from our investiture ceremony to our annual day practices, everything is conducted in our auditorium. We have assemblies conducted, Teachers' Day conducted, cultural programs conducted, yoga day conducted. So many events are there. Now children, let me ask you a very scientific question. It's very easy. What are your senses? Can you name them? I'm sure that was a very easy question. So quickly tell me. Yes, your 5 senses are seeing, smelling, hearing, tasting and touching. So these are your 5 senses. Now let us quickly move back to the park that we went. The things that you saw over there. Can you touch, hear, smell and feel those things? Is it possible? Of course it is possible. We can touch a swing and a slide. We can smell the flowers. We can taste the ice creams. How about in the church? Were there also things in the church that could be seen, touched, felt? Of course, that was also possible. We could see the candle burning. The smell of the candle burning, we could smell it. The holy water, we could taste it. We were able to see the Jesus Christ and sit on the benches. Feel it? Yes, that was also possible. But how about the events that were conducted in these two places? Was it possible to touch, see, feel, smell a picnic? No, it is not possible. Party? Can we use our senses over there? Again, not possible. And weddings? Of course, we can taste the food, but wedding as such? No, not possible. Baptism? Of course, we can hear the baby crying. But baptism as a whole idea, is it possible to touch, smell, hear? It is not possible. So, there are some things which can be sensed with our five senses, and there are some things which cannot be sensed with our five senses. So, the things that can be sensed with our five senses are called as concrete nouns. Concrete means something which is solid. So, concrete nouns are nouns which you can taste, touch, see, hear and smell. Example, cup, cake, ball, chair and keys. And the nouns which cannot be sensed with our five senses are called as abstract nouns. The meaning of abstract is something which is not clear. Now let us just look into our school auditorium. Can you name the concrete things that we had in our school auditorium? Yes, the chairs, stage, projector, mic stand, all these were concrete nouns. And the abstract noun, the events that are conducted over there. Yoga day, investiture ceremony, all these kinds of events are abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are also the feelings or the emotions that you have, like anger, love, happiness, sorrow. All these kinds of emotions and feelings are also called as abstract nouns. So, abstract nouns are events and emotions. What else? Let me ask you one question. What did India get on August 15, 1947? Yes, India got freedom. Freedom is an idea which we cannot touch, feel or hear. One more question. Can you give me a quality that a student must have? Responsibility? Correct. Discipline? Of course. So there are different qualities that we need to develop. Is it possible for us to touch honesty in a person's life or taste responsibility in a person? It is not possible. So we can say that these qualities are also belonging to abstract nouns. So what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are feelings or ideas. These are things you can't see, smell, taste, touch or hear. Many examples are given: bravery, happiness, sorrow, love, fear and so on. So children, have you understood concrete nouns and abstract nouns? It's very simple. Concrete nouns can be sensed with our five senses. Abstract nouns are feelings, ideas, emotions, events. Now, let us do an exercise together and you will be able to get a better understanding on concrete nouns and abstract nouns. So here are a few sentences. You have to pick out the concrete noun and abstract noun from the given sentences. First sentence. Manoj shares lots of love with his sister. Now quickly tell me what are the concrete nouns in this sentence. Easy to identify. There is Manoj and sister as concrete noun. He shares a lot of love. Love is an emotion. Emotions belong to abstract noun. Next question. Climbing that mountain took bravery. Can you see a thing in that sentence? Yes, mountain. Mountain is a thing. So mountain is concrete noun. Bravery. Bravery is an idea. So it is abstract noun. Third sentence. We went for Diya's birthday party yesterday. There is a person's name given over there, Diya. So Diya is definitely a concrete noun. Birthday party is an event. And we said events belongs to abstract noun. The last sentence, the sailor showed kindness to the dolphin. I think it is very easy. What are the concrete nouns here? Yes, it is sailor and dolphin. And a definite quality shown over here is kindness. So kindness belongs to abstract noun. So I hope children, concrete noun and abstract nouns are very clear to you. Keep practicing your grammar exercises. And let's conclude today's class. Have a wonderful day and be good children. Thank you.